Let's talk about the challenges in housing affordability today and how you can maximize your net worth in buying your next home. Because everything is getting more expensive in housing, the next house you buy should maximize its equity appreciation potential. You can make money, but wouldn't you like to make even more money if possible? To learn how to do this, we can take a lesson from the luxury brands. Whether you're trying to buy a Rolex or an Hermes bag, their resale appreciation is tied into one thing: scarcity. They intentionally produce less than the demand to keep prices high and to create desirability through scarcity. The same principle applies in housing. If you're in the market to buy and want to make sure you protect and increase your ability to build equity in your home, then buy a home that is rare and desirable. What does that mean? For residential homes, especially those in common interest development or attached homes, meaning condos and townhomes, that means buying units that are rare and in higher demand compared to others in the community. This means features like top floor units or end units with less attachment to neighbors or homes with unobstructed or nicer views. In a large community of many attached homes, these qualities are rare and therefore desirable. And unlike a freestanding home, you can't just change the fact that you are not located on the top floor or remove walls to detach yourself from neighbors or change things to get better views. Think of it this way. When you rent an apartment or a condo, doesn't the landlord demand more money for homes that are penthouses or located in quieter areas or ones that have nicer view than the others? Scarcity leads to desirability, which leads to higher value. Like that Rolex or Hermes bag when you want to sell it later. A top floor or an end unit is like a limited production model. There are only a few of these units when compared to the rest of the community. Of course, you're going to pay more for these, but the key is not to be short-sighted. You're paying small monthly increments, not in full cash. Buying something that has greater chance of being worth more in the future is the best investment strategy you can choose. When you're ready to sell to upgrade to a single family home, which do you think will net you more money for your new down payment? The limited run model or the common model? Maximizing your net worth means making strategic decisions now to ensure you optimize your chances to sell at the top of the market in the future. This is also why the wealthy and celebrities buy multiple homes that are rare, and even if they don't plan on living in them, because scarcity and desirability in the long run helps increase your net worth down the line. It's an investment strategy. It's simply a fact that homes will continue to get less and less affordable. If you plan on buying anyway, which do you think is a better choice for your future? A limited model or a common model?